Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Ground me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit, lie to me and say my booty getting bigger, even if it ain't. Love me even if it rain, love me even.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I'm finally doing a makeup tutorial. This is the look that I'm doing today. So I have been getting a few requests in my DMs on my Snapchat from people that I know that actually watches my channel. They keep asking me, why am I not doing makeup tutorials? They're telling me there's a thing. Now I kind of stayed away from makeup videos for a while simply because I really didn't think that I was ready to dive into that. I really didn't think that I was ready for makeup videos at all. I still don't think I'm ready for makeup videos at all. But here's what I realized. People are always asking me to do makeup tutorials, so there has to be something about my makeup that they like. So I decided to just go with the flow and just do my makeup videos. Here's the thing though, please guys, don't come on here comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong, all that stuff. Like, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not aspiring to be a makeup artist. I don't want to be a makeup artist at all. The thing is, I just truly enjoy makeup. There is so much more that I need to learn when it comes on to makeup, but I just figured, hey, if I don't practice, then I won't become perfect, you know. So I figured, why not just practice my makeup skills on YouTube? I mean, you guys will get a chance to grow with me, and if you are far worse than I am, you could possibly learn something from my videos. Most of the time I'm just gonna wing it, because most of the times when I'm doing my own makeup, I don't even know what I'm doing. I just kind of freestyle, go with the flow and see what comes out. I mean, depending on what I'm wearing. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching this video. And if you want to see me do more of these videos, just please leave your comments in the box below. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see me do, and I definitely try to do them because I am trying to give you guys a lot of videos. Anyway, I don't want to spend too much time rambling. I want you guys to see how I created this look. So keep watching, and definitely please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified every time I post a video, just please click that bell beside the subscribe button. That will definitely give you a ding dong notification every single time I post a video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe this video, and see you in my next one. Hope you guys enjoy. Love y'all, mi amors. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my brows off camera because my brows usually take a longer time to get done, so I kind of did it off camera just to save time. I'm going in right now with my primer. It's very important to foundation. It just creates a good base, and I'm using the Maybelline Skin Pore Eraser Primer simply because I struggle with pore issues, and this just helps to blur out all those pores. So I'm using the Maybelline Skin Pore Eraser Primer. Okay guys, so now I'm just prepping my eyes for the eyeshadow, and to do this I'm basically using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. I usually use eyes, but lately I've just been Girl Pro Conceal to do it because I see other persons doing it on YouTube as well, but it has been effective for me. Okay, so let's get into the fun part. I'm going to start applying my eyeshadows, and I'm gonna start by using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's palette. I love this palette, guys. The reason why I got this palette is because it has a lot of bright colors, and I know I always say I don't like bright eyeshadows, but because I decided to do a lot more makeup tutorials on YouTube, I've been splurging on a lot of new palettes with bold colors because I want to do some bold looks and just do something different. I already started to apply the shade Fulani from the palette using the Medic's blending brush, and I'm just adding layers and layers of that pigment to just get the desired color. So as you can see guys, I went in for a bigger blending brush because I wanted my eyeshadow to be really smooth. So I was in blending. It felt like I was blending for 2 years, but it's really good to blend your eyeshadows out as much as you can to get that really smooth transition look. So now I'm going to be going in with a different brush, and I'm going to use a shade Eyebrow, and I'm going to be using this shade to kind of just deepen the roots of the first color that I was using. I want the look to be a little bit more intense. My Morphe palette. I don't know the shade, but yeah, that's the shade. So I'm going to my blending brush, and I'm using the same shade that I started with Ada, and I'm just trying to blend out the rough edges at the top, just trying for the makeup to look more transitioned and smooth. And also this part, I'm just lightly feathering the blending brush over the shadows. I just want to give it that kind of airbrush look, so I'm just lightly feathering the brush. I also went back into my Masquerade palette, and I started using the shade Giza, layering it in the deep corners of my eyes just to give it a more satiny, sheeny look. So I kind of went back into my Masquerade palette, and I used a bit more of the Giza in the corner crease of me, and I'm just using the brush now to blend it out. Realize how much blending I'm doing in this video, guys. The look is intense, and therefore I just have to blend to ensure that I make the eyeshadow transitions look really smooth. So I'm going back into my Morphe palette, and I'm using the Flesh Tone eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply that to the high points of my brow, and that to blend out the eyeshadow even more smoothly, making. I also added a little highlight to the brow bone. So guys, I am lighting my eyes with my Maybelline Gel Black Eyeliner. I like this eyeliner because it has a felt tip, which makes it easy for me to create my wings. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay 24-hour foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, as it reminds me a lot of MAC, except that it doesn't oxidize on my face like the MAC foundation. So yeah, I'm blending this foundation out because I would like the application to look seamless. Next, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. A really good concealer, good for dark under eye circles or bags under your eyes. I'm just using it to hide my eyes to make it look more popping. Then I'm going to be setting my eyes using the Benign Powder. I'm going to be doing more detailed tutorials on highlight and contour, so you guys can stay tuned to that. In the meantime, I'll just be running through these steps. I'll be using the Sacha Cream to Powder foundation. I'm not really sure of the shade. I'll leave it in the description box below. So I'm using my Morphe G contour on my nose, but I really didn't like the powder that I chose first. So then I went back in, I chose another contour powder for my nose, and I'm just highlighting and contouring my nose right here. Using my infallible powder to set the rest of my face, then I'll be lining my eyes using a regular black pencil. I'll be going back into the palette to add some shimmer to the corners of my eyes, and also to apply the same eyeshadow that I started with first underneath my eyelids, adding a little shimmer to the part of my eyes as well, and the inner corners to make my eyeshadow look a little bit more popping. I'm going to be using my Rapunzel lashes. I put my lashes on off camera. I already have a eyelash tutorial up on my channel. If you want us to do that, you can check that out. I locked in all that makeup using the Benai Finals. Now I'm just applying my glow from the Wet Glow Kit. I'm not sure of the name. I'll leave it in the description box below. Using a regular brown pencil to line my lip, doing a lip combo using a LA lip gloss and also a lip gloss from Makeup Gallery. I'll leave the names in the description box.
Open eye, feel the way, dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only